Let us begin. Let us start with coefficients. As I have already discussed with you term algebraic expression factor. Coefficient is a constant. Constant is the number placed before the variable or the numerical factor of the term is called a coefficient of that variable. In simple terms, constant which is in front of variable is known as coefficient. Variable means variable means that any letter like x, y, z are called variables. Why they are called variable? Because they are they can take any value, any from 0 to infinity they can take any value we are not aware of. We have to find the value in algebraic expression or in equations, in linear equations we did it. So it is not we, how we are going to represent that. X is a variable, it is not alphabet is a variable. We are representing variable with alphabet because it can take any value, it can take any value. You can take 0, -1. X can be anything. Uh, let's suppose I take the example in a class, height of students, and let x be the height of student. So it is going to change, it is not going to be remain constant. For example, if student A, he is having height 4 feet, then x is called 4 feet in his case. Another student having height 5 feet, so x is going to change according to the height. So x is not going to remain, value of x is not going to remain same. So this is variable. Operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are called as operation. And what are constant? Constants, the number without any variable is constant. 2 is constant here. In simple terms, number, anything whose value does not change. 2 will always remain 2. It cannot become 1 or 3 unless or until acted upon by some operations. For example, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So it is not going to change on by itself. 2 will always remain 2 wherever you are going to go. If you are going to set 2 throughout world on planet earth, you will be given 2, 1 and 2. For example, 2 cups of coffee, 2 bananas and 2, it is not anywhere on the planet earth, anywhere someone is going to give you 1 for when you pose for or do gesture for 2. Let me have some examples. Look, question number 1 is identify the terms, their coefficients for each of the following. Look, first expression is 5x square, 5x square xyz square minus 3zy. In such a case, we have to find number of terms. How many terms are there? 2. And what is their coefficient? First term is 5xyz square and second one is 3zy. They are separated by an operation, that is subtraction. And what is coefficient of xyz square? What I told you, what is coefficient? Coefficient is constant value in front of a variable. So in front of a variable xyz square we have 5, so 5 is coefficient of 5xyz square and minus 3 is coefficient in case of zy. Simple. Let's take a look at second example, 1 plus x square. So there are 3 terms. This is what I have told you, that in first one is 1. Is it a term? According to definition, what is a term? A term consists of a variable and constant, but we have just a constant. So constant, what we are going to do, they have not written any variable. It is understood that we can have x raised power 0 and that will turn out to be 1. So 1, it is first term, then the second term is x and x square. In case of 1 is itself, if we place x raised power 0, then 1 will become coefficient. In case of x, there is nothing written, there is no constant in front of variable x. That means when there nothing is written, it is 1. Understood? Because 1 multiply x will turn out to be x, and in the same way for x square it is also coefficient 1. You can do rest of questions on your